Without ever leaving your living room, what if just 60 seconds a day could change your strength, posture, and mental toughness? A mistakenly basic static posture, the humble plank is silently transforming exercise programs all around. What happens, though, when you promise to hold it daily for 1 minute? This video explores the science-supported advantages, unexpected dangers, and practical outcomes of planking daily. Find out how this small-time commitment may change your physique, improve your mental clarity, and even highlight typical mistakes that most people ignore, regardless of your level of exercise experience. We'll go over how regular planking improves posture, develops your core, and increases mental toughness, as well as how bad form can hinder your progress. Learn professional advice on how to get the most out of your plank workouts. Stay injury, alter everything. Let's begin. What is a plank? By maintaining a position like the top of a push-up with elbows bent and forearms flat on the floor, the plank is a static basic exercise that tests your entire body. This almost easy exercise works for several muscle groups at once. Your abs and obliques stabilize your body, your shoulders and upper back support your weight, your glutes and legs maintain alignment, and even your forearms and toes act as anchors. It's important to maintain proper form. Elbows should align under your shoulders, hips level, and spine neutral to prevent pressure. Benefits. The benefits of daily planking are both physical and mental. The discipline of holding a daily plank improves focus and toughness, transforming a brief struggle into a moving meditation. The act of achieving those 60 seconds builds confidence. Mindful breathing reduces stress. It fights sitting by enhancing the back and stomach muscles, promoting better posture. It tones shoulders, glutes, and obliques for a leaner shape. In the long run, improved balance and endurance ripple into other activities, from lifting groceries to running miles. Daily planking has many advantages, but there are risks as well, such as pushing too hard or neglecting form. Here's how to stay clear of typical dangers. 1. Overtraining, joint stress, or muscle strain. Daily plank holding without rest can cause overloading of muscles and joints, especially in the shoulders, wrists, and lower back. Pain or suffering may result from repetitive strain. Protection. Pay attention to your body. Stop right away if you get sudden pain that isn't related to muscular fatigue. Combine planking with other workouts that focus on different parts of your body, such as your legs or your heart, to rotate your muscles. Early on, set a time limit of 20 to 30 seconds and increase it gradually. Second, form problems. The effects of incorrect alignment. Poor technique increases the chance of injury by shifting stress to sensitive areas, such as shrugging shoulders, arched lower backs, or sagging hips. Protection. Put quality first. A flawless 20-second plank is preferable to a wobbly 60-second hold. Use a mirror or video. Verify the alignment in the side view. Head to heels in a straight line. To stabilize your spine, actively contract your glutes and core. 3. Rest days. The power of recovery. Tax muscles are even held by static. Not getting enough sleep prevents tissues from strengthening and repairing. Protection. Take 1 or 2 days off each week to allow your muscles to recuperate and avoid overuse injuries. Other plank variations. To distribute stress differently, try side or forearm planks. Building a sustainable routine. Start small, grow steadily. Begin with 10 to 20 seconds. Focus on perfect form rather than duration. Even a brief hold builds foundational strength. Add 5 seconds weekly. Gradually increase time as your endurance improves. By week 4, you'll be holding 30+ seconds effortlessly. Track progress. Use a journal or app to celebrate milestones, e.g., first 30-second plank. Consistency over intensity. Daily habit greater than marathon holds. A 15-second daily plank is more impactful than a sporadic 2-minute struggle. Anchor the habit. Pair planking with a daily ritual, e.g., after brushing teeth or during coffee brewing. Forgive slip-ups. Miss a day, reset and continue. Perfection isn't the goal.